Oh, landed like butter. I hope these guys seen that. Yeah, I'm scuffing up the body. I wonder why they put all these hard protectors on the back and fronts of the road rash. They didn't put it on the top. They should have put two little things there. It would have made the body indestructible. Well guys, Steve here, Shin RC. I'm with the new Quake. We're gonna give it a run on 2S. I'm gonna show you really quick. I did the battery mod. I've seen it, someone mentioned it in the comments on the unboxing video. And I looked, CCXRC had it. You take out that little plate here with the two screws. You run your wire through there and you put it just like that. That way you can fit the batteries better in the tray. But anyhow, we're gonna hook it up. We're going to test it out on a 2S, see how fast it is, and we're going to test the vehicle stability control thing, the gyro effect, and see what that does. So I'll see you in the ball field. Alright guys, this is the 2S run, and this is with no stability control. We're going to see what it does. Oh, it's doing wheelies. Oh. Definitely does wheelies. Let me see how it handles. It actually handles pretty good. I don't even really think you need the stability control. Alright, now we're gonna try the stability control. You turn the steering wheel to the right, press the button. That's level on the first level. I think there's 3 of them. Let's see what this does. Let's test if it's on. Yeah, you can see the steering's going. Oh, almost crashed there. I don't even know if it's going straight. Oh. Alright, now we're going to do that again. I'm going to test it. Another press of this button, turn the steering wheel to the right. That's 3. I think there's one more setting after this. Let me check it out real quick. You see how it moves with the body. I think it's going a little too. Whoa! Oh, that thing's crazy. Oh! Alright, now we're going to try, I think the last setting. We'll turn it right, press the button. 4 beeps. Let's see what that does. Now it's really active. Oh, this is crazy. Alright guys, whew. I can't breathe. Let me get behind the dust. Holy smoke. We're gonna go way on the other side of the ball field. This is on 2S. Oh, I'm hitting into the fence. Make sure I'm coming straight. Alright, now I'm gonna come straight from the ball field way over there. See how this runs, how fast it is. I hope I don't hit a jump over there because I don't know what's over there. Ready, set, go. Feather it. Oh, I went a little out of control. This thing, oh! This thing is wicked. It reminds me of my USA 1, the way it drives and just pops the wheelies. This is fast on 2S. Oh, come on. Oh, back on the wheels. Oh! You see the stability control when it hit the ground, the wheels turn left and right and it goes like fishtailing. So that does work. In fact, I'm going to turn it off right now. That's off. I'm just going to put it on 1 just to help it a little bit. Monster. I'm running a 55 milliamp hour 2S light, so I think it's 100C. I have to stay behind these cloud of smog. The suspension on it's nice. Oh, flipped her over. Walk of shame, walk of shame. Wheelie machine. Bye bye. Doing its wheelies. That thing's quick. Aha. The suspension's plush on this one. Man, this thing is, look at the colors of this damn thing, guys. So sick. It's like the best paint job ever. This thing is crazy cool. Isn't that awesome? See if you can get some air here. Oh yeah! See, I think there's a jump over here. Something here, like a mound. Oh, that thing's ripping it up good. I think this is where I first ran my Gorgon, and I ripped the body like on the first run. I think it was back here. Oh, ooh, the wind's going right in my face. I think it was over here where I did this jump here, and the Gorgon, let me check it out real quick. Yeah, I think the Gorgon got ripped up here. Let me just check it out. Oh yeah. That thing's a speed demon. Oh, landed like butter. I hope these guys seen that. Oh! Ooh, I smashed it good. I don't want to wreck this body. It's beauty. Everything's intact. Oh, she shut down. Something happened. Maybe the plug. Oh, battery came unplugged. Let me plug that back in. That was a vicious crash. There it is. Look at the suspension on this, guys. Watch this. It's really soft. Let me turn it back on. Yeah, I'm scuffing up the body. I wonder why they put all these hard protectors on the back and front, see the road rash? They didn't put it on the top. They should have put two little things there. It would have made the body indestructible. Flipping it like crazy. Try this jump here. Oh! Oh, Nelly! Oh, dang it! I'm not good at jumping because I don't really jump too much. Oh! That was a nice one. Oh! I don't want to mess this body up. That's enough of that for me. It does take a beating though. You see these end pieces here? If you didn't have them, your body would be tearing to shreds. Lucky they put that on there. Whew, it's a windy, dusty day today. I think I just hit the low voltage cutoff. Something. Already? That was... We got... What am I on? 11 minutes run time? Let me try shutting her down unless the wire came off again. No, it couldn't have. I think that's it. Maybe I knocked some sense out of it on that jump. Let's see. I don't know why it would go on the low voltage cutoff. Oh yeah, smooth as butter. Yeah, it's in low voltage cutoff. So that's it. I was expecting more run time out of this. I guess that's what you get. Let's open it up and take a look. If I could get this apart. Hold on, guys. Like 11 minutes run time. Come here. Kind of sticky, this system here. Fan's working good. Let me show you what battery I'm running. I know it ain't the best, but got one of these off Amazon. It's a 5500 65C. So I got like 11 minutes of run time out of it. Anyhow, guys, that's it for the first run. Let me know in the comments if this is how much power this sucker drains out of your batteries that quick. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go home and dust her off. She got road rash. I wish they would have put the plastic pieces on the top to protect it, because on the rear did a good job. If that wasn't there, this body would be mangled. And also on the front, maybe ARRMA will make little pieces you could screw in on the top. If ARRMA's watching, maybe make those for us, guys. I think that'll be sweet. Nothing broke on it. Wheelie bar's perfect. Got a little bit of scufferoonies on it, but plush as hell when it hit the ground off them jumps. When I landed them right, it was like butter. But that's it, guys. I hope you appreciate this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you're new watching, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. I gotta go home and clean this beauty with the compressor. Later, guys. Have fun RCing.